How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what is Temu affiliate program, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individuals and businesses to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into temu.com, as you can see here. As you can see, this is the website and we have here a various product. You can select your favorite product if you want. Then if you want to be an affiliate partner, all you have to do is scrolling down like that and click over affiliate and influencer earn commission. This is the home page. You can get started, but before scrolling down to know important information and notes. Here we have more over than 3,000 people have joined. Also, we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. You can just join, share, and earn. Also, we have here a question that you need to know. What is the Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run any referral or affiliate programs? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw commissions rewards? You can just click over here if you want your answer. This is the answers for each questions, as you can see. Then if you want to sign up, all you have to do is just click over join now or get started in the top. You can write your email or your phone number if you want to sign up, or also you can use Google, Facebook, App Store, or other options if you wanna. And after your inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all, you will get commission whatever they buy, but they will get also $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also, you can win a competition, you can get a bonuses. So all you have to do is join, share, and earn. So let's know some ways to earn money on Temu. First of all, we have selling physical products. List and sell items such as handmade crafts, apparel, electronics, or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Secondly, we have offering digital products, sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses, or digital art. Digital products have the advantage of no shipping costs and instant delivery. The third one, we have providing services, offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance. Create detailed service listens with clear pricing and delivery times. We have also affiliate marketing, promote other sellers' products and earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links, utilize social media, blogs, or email marketing to reach a broader audience. Finally, we have drop shipping. Set up a drop shipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Here we have some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. First of all, we have selling physical products. The example is jewelry or handmade jewelry. For products, we have handcrafted bracelets, necklace, and earrings. For description, we have detailed description, highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique design. For image, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. For pricing, we have competitive pricing based on material costs, time invested, and market demand. The second one we have offering digital products. We have example online courses. For products, we have courses on graphic design, coding on personal development. Description, we have course syllabus, learning, objective and benefits for students. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access through learning management. For pricing, we have one-time free or subscription-based access to course materials. The third one, we have providing services. The example is freelance writing. For service, we have content writing for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. For description, we have clear explanation of services, including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis, with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The first one, we have affiliate marketing. The example is Teach Gadgets. As you can see here, Teach Gadgets. Product we have promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers, sorry. For method we have share affiliate links on a Teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. For commission we have earn a percentage of sales made through your referral links. For content we have write reviews, boxing, or how to guide to attract potential buyers. The last one we have dropshipping. We have home decor items, as you can see here. For products, we have trendy home decor items like wall arts, rugs, or lighting. Supper, we have partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. For storefront, we have create a branded online store showcasing the products. For marketing, we have use social media ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. For customer services, we have handle customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. So making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online businesses by following these steps and leveraging Temu's feature. You can build a successful venture whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So this is for this video guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.